Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Noong nakaraang taon, December 11, 2021, muling nagpasikat itong Pinoy na dating WBO Bantamweight Champion na si Marlon Tapales. Impresibong tinalo niya ang knockout artist na Hapon na si Hiroki Tishigawara via second round knockout. Kaya naman, muling nagmarka ang pangalan ni Marlon Tapales sa rankings. Pasok sa top 10 ng IBF at WBO Junior Featherweight Division. At noong nakaraang linggo lang, umutok ang balitang muling lalaban si Marlon Tapales. Nag-order daw kasi ang IBF organization ng mandatoring didipinsaan ng kasalukuyang IBF Junior Featherweight Champion MURODJON AKHMADALIEV ang kanyang titulo kontra sa number 1 contender na si Marlon Tapales. Napakagandang balita ito mga pre sa kampo ni Marlon Tapales na kasalukuyang under ng MP Promotion. Undefeated itong si Unified Junior Bantamweight Champion na si AKHMADALIEV mga pre. 10 wins, 0 loss, 7 via knockout. Tubong Uzbekistan, bronze medalist sa 2016 Olympics. Napakaraming medalyas amateur na din ang nakuha habang itong pambato natin na si Marlon Tapales naging WBO Bantamweight Champion noong 2016 nang talunin niya ang batikang Thai fighter na si Panya Otok via 11th round knockout at naging champion ulit noong taong 2017 nang mati-KO naman niya ang Hapon na si Shuhei Omori sa 11th round. Magandang laban to mga pre, mas eksperyensado si Marlon Tapales habang bagito sa pro pero bronze medalist naman sa Olympic itong si AKHMADALIEV.
But then he's found his range again. Good stuff this from AKHMADALIEV.
Quality stuff, Nick. He threw 2 jabs to him from the Wasen and he banged the uppercut in and it started this battle.
Was up for a moment.
AKHMADALIEV is absolute well. It's a dip down. The next shot, a little barrage, what we've just seen of punches for the first minute. He's absolutely quality.
And then he's coming back just as it was up. Looked like he was on the back foot. Here he goes and he's with the
Absolutely right. Very similar to Lomachenko, where you're constantly good shot right there with a left hand. And Suarez covers up. You're not able to relax her. Oh, now there it is again. Shot. Suarez is good shot. Beautiful. Beautiful. There's that overhand again. That was not low. Overhand again, back into the corner. He's constantly stuck in the corner. Got him with the right hand. A big crushing left hand. Once again, that overhand left is there whenever he wants it. That's not an act.
If I'm far at the corner, I'm thinking about stopping this.
It's been a beating. And that's it. Well stopped.
Timing! Woo!
เดินเข้าหาบ้างเดินไป2นัดนะครับไม่มีอะไรนะครับเสียจังหวะครับลูกนี้ครับโอ้ยซ้ายยาวมาหลวมแล้วโอ้โหหุบขวาอีกแม่ต่อยเขาต่อยไม่ได้ครับเอาละครับทำอะไรบ้างแล้วเอาโอ้คุณหลวงเอาแล้วต้องบวกขวาได้ครับคุณหลวงโอ้โหว้าวได้นะอะไรก็เกิดทีมงานนี่ต้องลุ้นกันสุดฤทธิ์แหละครับเหนื่อยเพราะว่าตื่นเต้นกันทั่วประเทศครับกับการดูมวยคู่นี้ครับคุณผู้ชมครับอะไรเกิดขึ้นของเราเลยนะครับอะไรขึ้นครับโอ้โดนอะไรเข้าไปครับอ้าวโอ้โห
promotion din yan nakakakita kumain pag gano'n Songnam, Korea malapit ko masabi Carlo Comito nakita mo tumawa ka dyan bigyan kita ng promise oh! Good shot! Good connection by Tapales. I don't think he's standing up. This is there. He's in charge.
Stop! 1, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Reason why these guys are fighting style.
Nothing wrong with that. No. And you got to use it.
Both touch gloves, sign of respect, inadvertent. Just under a minute to go here in our opening stanza. Castaneda got hit with a body shot. He didn't get to the body by Tapales, and Tapales poured it on. What a right hook!
That's the problem with every punch shot.
That's the problem.
But now Castaneda's backpedaling. It may be only a matter of time before Ray Corona steps in, and he does so.
防衛戦でした。その時の反省点をかなり挙げていた思いなんですが、ここは
まだ大森選手硬いところ。
試合開始30秒足らずでプロボクサー人生初のダウン。
話していましたが、
さらに2度3度とダウン。ここでも
効いてると思ってますから。
そして第2ラウンド。
カウンターに
ここでも
効いてると思ってますから。
そして第2ラウンド。
カウンターに
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.